opportunity to be part of creating the Pennypack Trust was an opportunity just in a moment of time. The Pennypack Preserve, which is it's called today, started with the idea that a bunch of us were noticing foam that was actually going 200 feet in the air. Our knowledge of what a watershed is was so rudimentary at that time. Actually, the Pennypack Trust is part of a watershed that is 56 square miles and encompasses 13 municipalities. But we were very naive in our original understanding of what the mission was. We thought it might be just as simple as putting a big cork in the upstream sewer plant, that was creating these nutrients that were creating the pollution and therefore the foam that was going up in the air. But when we got into this, it was far more complex and challenging than that very naive original concept. It is today an 800-acre preserve, which was the dream that we had around Earth Day in 1970. This actually started out as a dream. I dreamt that this opportunity to create a nature reserve, that was my dream. Again, like photography, it was just a moment in time. That opportunity would have been completely lost today. I thank the Lord for that dream, that dream came and it happened. So dreams aren't all fluffy stuff,